Hello everybody, I'm Luis and this video is a demo about my unit test framework. I'm experimenting with Dynamo, so I copy some Dynamo unit tests in the Dynamo GitHub. So I copy something stuff and create my own base to make it work. So I'm using version 24. If I start this unit test, should open a new project just to make sure that the test gonna work, and everything should work like in the test. So I don't know exactly what this does, but yeah, some of the tests I changed, but in the end kind of works. But yeah, I need to add basically, what is it, this to make work the document manager instance, just to add the static y application and y document. So yeah, and kind of works. So that's it for this video. Yep, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.